Just finish the lunch. I need to go to the factory now. Today is Sunday, a lovely day today. Some clients ask me to take some information of our factory warehouse. I need to show them some information now. So I'm on the way to the factory. After 15 minutes, I finally arrived into JCsportline factory. Wow, it's a gorgeous place. I love it. I love this place. It's my dream place. Not exaggerate. Oh, I love this place, good place. Flowers everywhere, so big place. They are placed for the carbon fiber parts. Are you interested in them? For me, I'm so interested in them. I love them. Okay, I need to park the car. Wow, it's lovely weather. It's spring in China now, and the smells very good. I enjoy them. The flowers everywhere, you see flowers and the good environment for carbon fiber parts. Yeah, I can be sure that this should be the first good environment factory in China. So clean, so good smelling. As you know, I usually in Shenzhen. So my home is in Shenzhen, but sometimes I will come back to the factory to show you something to the clients. It's around 15,000 square kilometers from Shenzhen here. Okay, show you JCsportline big buildings. We have 4 big buildings. This is the first one. Our warehouse is in the first building. Okay. This is our semi-product warehouse. He is the manager of the semi-products. Hello, Mr. Liu. You say, this is the semi-product warehouse, and all the products on the shelf is very clean, and they are made preparation for the final products. Okay, let's go to the second warehouse, final products. This is our finished products warehouse. And many stocks go inside and come out every day. Yeah, he's the manager of our warehouse. Hello, James?
Hello.
Yeah, he's crazy busy now. Okay. So many stocks on the ground. I think they will be ready for tomorrow's container. Okay. Yeah. And you see, the warehouse is around 5,000 square meters. It's around 10 meters tall, and the stocks more than 10,000 pieces. Okay, let me show you inside. You see, lots of the different products into the different shelves, and we put them onto the different location numbers, such as the front lips, side skirts, and also the bumpers and the hoods, and also the small parts and the mirror caps. Yeah, our guys is busy now. He's putting the products on the location. Yes. I will show you more about the details, such as the numbers, the orders, how we print the orders. Yes. And all the products into the orders, like these details, yeah. And I will introduce you more about the ERP system. Many clients ask us how we control the orders without mistake. I told you that we have a powerful ERP system which can distinguish different orders from different clients with different requirements for every step. And so all the workers are based on the strict requirements for different clients. After the goods is ready, and they will be delivered into our warehouse, and they will go to the shelf and with the location number. So our ERP system will be synchronization the information. So we will print the order and pack them, and then with the shipping. And so you will have the general idea of our warehouse now, right? And you know that we have many stocks, more than 1,000 pieces. So if you place the order, we can ship you parts right away. Even we don't have stock, we can finish them in 15 days for half container, and then we can finish the 1 container for 30 days. Okay, JCsportline will be your best solution for carbon fiber parts partner. And also, if you're interested in us, please follow us, okay? Thank you. See you next time.